Breaking news, guys. The SEC has appealed the Ripple case. Yes, I did do a video earlier this year or this month or last month saying that the SEC would not appeal the Ripple case based on what one of the Ripple lawyers said. But they were wrong, and I was wrong on that. They did appeal the Ripple case. Now, XRP has gone down, but everything is basically down today. XRP is a little bit more down than the other coins, obviously, because it pertains to XRP. I think this means that this is going to be in limbo for a couple more years because the appeals case is probably going to take a year or more. That means the recently filed XRP ETF is probably not going to get approved because there is no way in hell that the SEC would actually approve an XRP S1 ETF. That's what they filed while this appeal is ongoing, because that would be them admitting that no, it is not a security. So as reported, the agency was widely rumored to challenge the court ruling. However, it kept the community in a state of limbo until almost the very last date. The deadline for the SEC appeal was set for October 7th, but they did not wait for this long. We know Judge Torres actually ruled mostly in favor of XRP last year, but not completely in favor of XRP. Analysts have spent the last few weeks speculating about whether the agency would eventually make such a move. Stuart Alderley, Ripple's top lawyer, previously stated that he would not find the SEC appeal surprising. However, he is confident that the legal status of XRP token will be not affected by this action. Now, I do think that the SEC will lose this appeal. At least I hope it'll lose this appeal, because if they win this appeal, this would be very, very bad for all of crypto. When they lose this appeal, I don't think they would appeal to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is obviously 6-3 in favor of conservatives, and they would not favor the SEC right now. Also, there's the election, and I don't really know if a new SEC chair would actually drop the case. I don't really know if that's how it works. So the price of XRP being down, not that big of a surprise because everything is down, but XRP is down a little bit more. I don't think it has catastrophically affected the price. And that is mainly because I think people expect Ripple to win, but that means legal status won't be cleared for another year or two. I do think the Court of Appeals is probably the last court that this will actually be fought in, because like I said, the Supreme Court does not favor the SEC. And in this matter, I don't think they will actually reverse the ruling by the lower courts anyways, because of the composition of the court at this point. The SEC was kind of balled into a corner. They pretty much had to file this, because if they didn't file this, they would not actually win any of those other lawsuits against exchanges. All those other judges are looking at this particular case as a precedent, and that's really why I don't want this case to be overturned, because it would be really, really bad. However, this case, if it does get overturned, I think the Ripple side will actually appeal up to the Supreme Court. And I think because this is kind of a landmark case, the Supreme Court would probably accept this case from the Ripple side, and they would actually rule in Ripple's favor. But that would take another 3 years or so, and we don't really have another 3 years to lose in terms of crypto timing. So yes, Gary Gensler has decided to appeal this case. I think he is not going to win this case because the courts have basically been favoring crypto companies over the SEC for a decently long period of time. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.